Let's celebrate Lunar New Year by giving everyone good luck. Please welcome in God Well Action!
Start by pumping up your 260 white balloon and tie a knot. Make a 4 cm bubble, a pinch twist, a 10 cm bubble, a pinch twist, another 10 cm bubble, and tie it back to the first pinch twist. This makes the head. Now make another 10 cm bubble tied to the other pinch twist, and make one last 10 cm bubble tied to the next pinch twist, and this makes the body of the cat. Make sure there's 4 10 cm bubbles. Now make 2 6 cm bubbles. This makes the ears of the cat. Tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. Now make a 4 cm bubble, a pinch twist, another 4 cm bubble, another pinch twist, then a 4 cm bubble, and tie it to the pinch twist on the other end. This makes the legs of the cat. You can now pop off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. These cats have 2 different variations, one with a right paw up, which can get you more money, which is usually used for home, and one with the left paw up, which is used to attract customers, usually used for businesses. Now pump up your 260 gold balloon. And make a 14 cm bubble. And tie a knot. And cut off the rest, but save that balloon for later. Now using the rest of that gold balloon, make a 2 cm bubble and tie a knot. Using the longer tail, tie a knot to the shorter tail so you get a little bubble with a knot at the back. Now grabbing your 160 red balloon, or if you don't have one, you can use the 261. Push all the air from the nozzle to the end of the balloon until you have a slightly stiff red balloon, and tie a knot. This is for the collar of the cat. And now that there's air in that balloon, you can make sure that this collar is stiff. You can cut off the rest of that balloon. Thread that red balloon into the knot you made for the little 2 cm gold bubble. This makes the bell and the collar of the cat. Tie one more knot to secure the bell on that collar and cut off the rest. You can now tie the collar onto the cat and make sure it is in between 2 of the 10 cm bubbles that separate the head and the body. Adjust it so the bell is in the middle of the head. And tie a knot at the back of the cat to secure that collar. Now for that gold balloon. Tie one end to one of the pinch twists, which is the arm that is lowered, and the other side of the balloon to the foot, or the opposite side. This makes the koban coin of the lucky cat. And the twisting part is done. Grab your red marker and draw 2 small triangles on each of the ears. Use a black marker to outline the eyes. And draw on whiskers. Use a yellow marker to color in the rest of the eyes. Use a pink marker to draw in the nose. And the red marker to draw in the mouth. Now using a black marker, draw in little toe beans for the cat's paws. Now it's time to write on the wording of that korban coin. Feel free to copy off what we did, or you can always just write a big $sign, which I'm sure would work just as well. You can also use a reference if you would like. And your lucky cat, or a Maneki-neko, is complete.
Wow, I have a lucky cat. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.